Hello, superstars. How are you? Today, we're going to have fun blending words with the sound shh. This is the letter S, and it says S. And this is the letter H, and it says. But when S and H come together, they make the sound shh. Say after me. One more time. Today we are going to blend words beginning with the sound shh. I want you to say each sound after me as we blend together. E. Oh. Now let's blend it together. Sheep. Let's say it faster. Ship. One more time. Ship. Good job. Now let's move on to the next one. Oh. P. Now let's blend it. Shop. One more time. Shop. Good job. Say it faster. Shop. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Ah. Now let's blend it. Shut. One more time. Shut. Shut. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. A. D. Now let's blend it. Shed. One more time. Shed. Say it faster for the last time. Shed. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. You are doing amazing. Say each sound after me. Shh. E. Mm. Now let's put them together. Shin. One more time. Shin. One more time. Shin. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Say each sound after me. Shh. E. Now let's put them together. Shell. One more time. Shell. One more time. Shell. Good job. You're doing amazing. Let's move on to the next one. Shh. E. Huh. Now let's put them together. Sheep. One more time. Sheep. Good job. Sheep. Good job. Oh. Now let's put them together. Short. One more time. Short. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Shh. E. Mm. Now let's put them together. Shim. One more time. Shim. Say it loudly. Good job. Now let's move on to the next word. Shh. Ah. Mm. Now let's blend it. Sham. One more time. Sham. Good job. Say for the last time. Sham. Good job. You're now a phonic superstar. Good job. Now you're going to revise the words we learned today. I want you to repeat each word after me. Ship. Shop. Shut. Shed. Shin. Shell. Sheep. Short. Shim. Sham. Good job. Great job, superstar. You did amazing today. Good job. Make sure you come back for more fun phonics. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.